Then you need to see how many people.
Like, the change of setting has been mad.
Just gonna go and get the car jack to jack the wheels. Morning. How are you? Very well, thank you. My mum and dad just got 2 kittens.
Yeah, kittens, they're fine, but then when they learn that they're cats and they're like...
They're independent, aren't they?
They just do their own thing, I'm just like...
They're independent, man. They're entrepreneurs, aren't they? Dogs are employees, man.
Yeah, dogs are employees.
Really bet on today, so that's
Ready, yeah?
Yeah.
They're probably getting that all the time. You can have that peace. Like everyone can have that peace, and it regardless of what it is. Like right now, if somebody's in a relationship that they don't like, or they're at a workplace they don't like, they're not going through peace. They're going through anxiety and tension and all these things. They can have it. You might not have to. You might not be as far away as you think. Like some people think, oh, if I can't leave here because I won't get the perfect job. But just leaving there might give you that. It doesn't matter if you get the perfect job.
Yeah.
You know.
That's what. But it's the understanding that the present is so important.
It is, man.
Because I think about all of the missed opportunities and missed possibilities of your life that I've had because you didn't live in that present moment.
100%.
You lived in the what could be. You lived in the what ifs and the buts.
And that's why when you think about something now, like me then saying that and you talk about your camera, like there should be no question.
Yeah.
Because the what ifs of not working is obviously a reality.
Yeah, absolutely.
But the what ifs of never having that experience because you didn't do it is ridiculous.
Yeah.
You could die. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
At least if at this particular moment it's going to make you feel better, you should feel that.
You should do it.
Because you might never ever get that opportunity again. Like,
absolutely.
Why are we procrastinating on the things that we know are going to make us feel good? Doesn't make sense. Get towels, you should wash them.